Not to waste time on nonsense. Not to be taken in by conjurers and hoodoo artists with their talk about incarnations and exorcism, and all the rest of it. Not to be obsessed with quail fighting or other crazes, to hear unwelcome truths, to practice philosophy and to study with Bakchius, and then with Tandasis and Martianus, to write dialogues as a student, to choose the Greek lifestyle, the camp bed and cloak,